Welcome to your YouTube journey. This is the start of something amazing, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. Starting a YouTube channel is exciting. It's a chance to share your passions, ideas, and creativity with the world. Whether you're vlogging, teaching, or entertaining, the possibilities are endless. A great first impression is key. Your first video sets the tone for your channel, so make sure it's memorable and reflects who you are. Your channel intro is super important. It's your opportunity to grab viewers' attention and make them want to stick around for more. It tells viewers who you are and what you're about. Clearly explain your channel's purpose and what kind of content they can expect. Keep it short, engaging, and to the point. A concise intro helps maintain viewers' interest and encourages them to explore your content further. A good intro builds trust with your audience. Establishing a connection early on makes viewers feel more comfortable and likely to return. Let your personality shine through. Be authentic and relatable. People are drawn to genuine personalities, so don't be afraid to be yourself. Viewers connect with real people. Authenticity fosters a deeper connection and keeps your audience engaged. Think of your intro as a quick handshake. It's your first chance to make a friendly and lasting impression. Make it warm and inviting. A welcoming atmosphere encourages viewers to feel at home on your channel. Now let's dive into making awesome content. Plan your videos carefully, brainstorm creative ideas, and always aim to provide value to your viewers. Your journey is just beginning and the possibilities are endless.
Content is king on YouTube. High-quality videos keep viewers engaged. Focus on what you're passionate about. This makes creating content enjoyable for you. Consistency is key for growth. Upload videos regularly. This keeps your audience coming back for more. Plan your content in advance. Think about your video titles and thumbnails. They should grab attention and accurately represent your content. Now let's get those views and subscribers.
Watch time is crucial on YouTube. Longer videos tend to perform well. Aim for at least 10 minutes or more. Break up your videos into sections. Encourage viewers to subscribe. A call to action at the end of your videos helps. Interact with your viewers in the comments section. Collaborate with other YouTubers. This exposes your channel to a wider audience. Now let's talk monetization.